Changing your call background on Samsung Galaxy lets you personalize your incoming call screen with pictures, videos, or AR emojis. You can also customize caller information to display specific names or photos for different contacts, adding a personal touch to incoming calls. Here's how you do those things. Pull up the app drawer, look for phone, and tap on it. Tap the More Options icon in the upper right part of the screen and select Settings. Tap Call Background. Tap Background beneath the preview, and then choose the background that you like. Tap Set as Call Background to save the changes. Go back to the Call Settings screen and tap Caller Information. Tap Profile Picture Size and choose between small and large. Refer to the preview to know how each option looks like. For privacy, you can also hide the phone number of the person that's calling by disabling the switch next to Show Contacts phone numbers. To hide the time, tap the switch next to Show Extra Details to disable it. And that's how you change the call background and the caller information on your Samsung Galaxy phone. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.